Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to do something a bit different today. This is my lovely model Gabby.
Hello!
And we're going to do a blue butterfly tutorial. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to go into this Shimmer blue face paint on a sponge. So we're going to go onto the eyelid. And then we're gonna go up at this kind of angle on both sides over the eyebrow. And I'm just gonna bring it round to the corner of the eye as well. And then we're going to do the underneath wings now. I'm just going to take the paint right at the corner of the eye. And then while it's still a bit wet, I'm just going to puff on some glitter. So if you just keep your eyes closed. And this is biodegradable glitter from Leanne, and it's from the professional face painting kit set. It shines blue, so that goes really well. And then I'm going to go into this darker blue. So this is Diamond FX metallic blue, and I'm just going to create an ombre look. Coming from the edges inwards. Blend it really nicely. You can just turn the sponge over to the dry bit and then just blend the two colours in. And I'm just going to add a little bit more glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to use this. This is a 1/2 inch angled brush, and I'm going to go into this split cake which has dark blue and white in it. And then with the dark blue on the edge, I'm going to paint and then drag in. And then come in at like, as if there's like a cross here. Drag in, and then this middle one's a bit longer, and then this one's a bit smaller again. And now I'm going to go into a split cake that's a bit more white and turquoisey. Okay, and then I'm going to just do a rainbow across the centre of the butterfly, and I'm going to use, this is the Global Tropical Butterfly palette. I think this company is now called Fusion, and I'm just going to go into this shade here with the blue and the purple. Okay, so I'm going to do a bit of a black outline now. So this is a Low Cornell round number 4 brush with Diamond FX black face paint. The edges of a butterfly are quite like wobbly, so I'm just like wobbling the brush and then dragging it in where I've done the lines with the one stroke as well. I'm making the edge outline quite thick. So I'm going into the Diamond FX metallic blue for the butterfly's body. do a thin line to a thick line and then thin again. And with a super fine brush on the black paint, I'm just gonna outline the body on one side. And then now I'm going to go into white face paint to add some white details. So this is Diamond FX White, and a Mark Reed round number 4. I'm going to add different size dots along the black outlines. Rainbow as well. Okay guys, we're going to finish off the design. I'm going to add some glitter, some chunky glitter around the design, and then we're going to finish it off with a blue lip as well. So this is just aloe vera gel. Just putting it under the eye, on the cheekbone, and a bit coming up from the edge of the eye as well.
This face paint was inspired by the blue butterfly emoji because Gabby loves it, so we thought we'd try it out on her face. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of demo approach when I do it on someone else. Give me a thumbs up, hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!